Today's episode is about freedom from overwhelm. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for a motivational quote. I am calm. I can handle everything. I simplify my life. People respect my calmness. Every day I feel calmer. Today I stay peaceful. I am centered. I manage tasks calmly. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.